Hi, Jimmy and everyone with Levine and Sons. My name's Christian Rinna. I'm with RenGen SEO. We're a local digital marketing agency. Just wanted to shoot this quick video for you, give you guys some free tips and tricks you can use on your own to increase your online presence. Contrary to popular belief, your website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside services like HomeAdvisor and Angie's List for those leads. And the leads that come through your website are going to be exclusive to you, so they're not going to be sent out to multiple different contractors for the same jobs. Either way, the three things we're going to talk about today are content, citations, and backlinks. The first being content. So Google loves content. The more you have, the better. But content isn't just the words on your website. It's also the photos and how the photos are saved and what's behind the photos and alt tags and meta descriptions and site titles, so on and so forth. And so the thing to keep in mind is that you want to have 1,500 words minimum on any page you're trying to rank, and you want all your photos saved as buyer intent keywords. I went through your website. There's a lot going on in this website. Honestly, I don't even know where to begin, but if we go to your heating page, for example, you don't have a lot of photos. So that's one thing. You do have some, but you're going to want to go through and make sure that all your photos are saved as buyer intent keywords, not random file names, not numbers and letters meshed together. You want them saved as buyer intent keywords because search engines read how your photos are saved on the back end. And then also, like I said, 1,500 words. So this is your heating page, your main one. You do have multiples, but we don't have that 1,500, not even close, of words. So you're going to want to bump that number up, maybe have your own furnace page and 1,500 on there, boilers and radiators. Whatever's important to you, I would highly suggest separating that out into their own pages and then having 1,500 words minimum on those pages. So furnace installation, I know there's some good money in that. And it looks like you do have a little bit more content here, but nowhere near that 1,500 mark. So 1,500 is the number, minimum. And then how you save your photos, very important. So next is citations. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. Those directories include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, the Chamber of Commerce. All those give you citations. The more you have, the higher up you rank in this map pack. So as you can see, I typed in HVAC Southfield. We got HVAC Company, we got Typhoon, and we got David's Heating and Cooling. You guys aren't here, which is actually surprising because your Google My Business profile is pretty nice. So obviously something's not working out right. But another thing I wanted to show you is, for example, like Thornton, Pilot, Williams Distributing, HVAC Southfield, the Air King, Advanced Heating and Cooling. All these guys are ranking on the main page for HVAC Southfield, but they're not in the map pack. So these guys are in different cities, but their websites are showing up for this city, for Southfield, even though they're not in the map pack. So you can actually do that for multiple different areas. Maybe you want to work in Royal Oak, Huntington Woods, wherever you want to work. Novi, Northville, Plymouth, I don't know, but wherever you want to work, you can target your website even if you're not in the map pack. But obviously something's going on here because you have 1,220 Google reviews with a 4.8, but you're not pulling up for HVAC Southfield. Something's going on. Either way, congratulations on the reviews. You do have that many, 1,220 Google reviews with a 4.8. So you guys are obviously good. Definitely be something to be proud of and hold your heads high to. And you do have a completed profile with address, hours, phone, and appointments. But the other thing is these photos. So we recommend 10 photos minimum, which it looks like you have well above that 10. Looks like you have 12. That's good. So you do have the recommended number of photos. You're just going to want to go in and make sure that they're saved the right way. That's very important. How they're saved is read by search engines on the back end. So very important. Other than that, there's definitely something going on for you to not be in this map pack here. But either way, the last thing is backlinks. And so what a backlink is anywhere that levineandsons.com can be found on the internet anywhere. And so you guys actually have 1,500 backlinks, just over 1,500 backlinks from 88 referring domains. But yet, if you notice, your domain rating is only a 9. That's a 9 out of 100. So definitely some room for improvement. I'm pretty sure that you're probably paying for these backlinks, maybe. Not sure where you got them from. Some backlinks are free, some backlinks you pay for. The thing to keep in mind is that not all backlinks are created equal. And so you want to make sure your backlinks are coming from relevant sites to the trade and also not spammy sites. With 1,500 backlinks, you should be, in the 90s or hundreds or, way higher than a 9 domain rating. Your domain rating directly correlates to your power to your website and visibility. And so something's going on for you to not be pulling up on the first page for HVAC Southfield and with the map pack and with this many backlinks. So just something to consider, something to look into. I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your website to bring the most value and in turn money and profit for you guys. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to get in touch with us or even feedback. And thank you very much for watching.